Same is the case with establishment of model criminal trial courts. Well, in this case, we said what we're going to do is all the latest pending criminal trials before the sessions will be taken up by these model courts, and they will be decided on a day-to-day basis. The one very important is the institutionalization of court-annexed mediation. Let me tell you, mashallah, we've got 20 trained judicial officers already in our judicial, and we have to take maximum use and utilize their expertise. And it was decided that to start off with, one district, every high court will take up this particular mandate, and we will assess how the progress has been made and decide about it after 3 months. And we will increase this particular aspect of it, but only once we see how the progress of the initial steps that have been taken. Then comes time for disposal of different category of cases. 13 different items were taken up: declaratory suits, declaratory inheritance, injunctions, rent cases, family suits, succession cases, execution, labor cases. There were the 13 on which we decided. This can be increased later, but to start off with, we started with 13, and the high courts have been asked to give us the timeline. I think is appropriate. We will inshallah decide it on the 18th. Then comes the Professional Excellence Index. This is something which we've introduced to facilitate talent hunt of law for induction into the district judiciary and elevation to the high court judicial positions. Then comes this particular, the district judiciary will gauge the lawyers who come and argue cases before you, and then you will pass it on to the registrar, and the data will be collected over there. And when the time comes for induction into the district judiciary or the high court, this particular data will help us in engaging. There are certain lawyers who are practicing law in furthest districts, and they don't come to the high courts, and so they don't come within the high courts and the bar. So this is a step which we have taken, which will bring in the young lawyers also. They will be given an opportunity, and those who are